Mr. wa ũrĩmi Mũtahi Kagwe augĩte atĩ watũrangi wa mĩgũnda icunjĩ nini nĩ ũndũ ũraiga ũrĩmi ũgwati-inĩ wa kũhotoma. Mũtahi arĩtie ũũ arĩ kĩgomano-inĩ kĩrĩa kĩharĩrĩirio nĩ ngwatanĩro ya ũrĩmi kaunti-inĩ cia gĩcũa-inĩ, akĩongerera atĩ thirikari ndĩngĩhota kũramata rũhonge rwa ũrĩmi igana kwa igana hatarĩ ũnyitanĩri wa mũingĩ, akiheana tabarĩra ya Galana Kulalu ta mũhiano kuona ikinyanĩirie na njĩra ya ũnyitanĩri.
I want to impress upon you that the missing link between what we have been talking about and what we can do, part of it, not all of it, but part of it has got to do with private enterprise. Private enterprise. I'll give you several examples. We started off at Galana Kulalu thinking that the government is going to do a lot of work and grow maize and so on and so forth. It failed miserably. I want to persuade the counties to be very passionately involved in attracting private sector into their areas and getting them to work.
So we have come here to continue with the motivation of our farmers to continue growing these crops. Especially as you know, the coconuts are now very old. We need to revitalize them.
We must also embrace digitization as a game changer. The future of agriculture is digital. Digital farmer registration systems can improve planning and targeted support.
Shira wa mũhunjia wa wĩtĩkio mũgomu Paul Mackenzie no